Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. How is everybody doing today? This is a detailed tutorial on how to make a fishbone feeding cornrow. So if this is what you're interested in learning, you can continue to watch, and do not forget to share this video to friends and family. Give a video a big thumbs up and also leave a comment on what you think about the hairstyle. So this particular one is a big size. I've already done this video before, like I've done a tutorial on this particular topic before, but I'm doing like a bigger size this time around so that you guys get to see the difference between the smaller, or no, not smaller, like the medium size and also the bigger size. So yeah, I'll just continue to watch the video. First is to section the hair into like 4 different portions, 2 in front and 2 at the back. So this is like a ponytail feed-in cornrow. So yeah, that's why I'm sectioning it into 4 different portions first. So I'm going to start with the left hand side, putting the rest of the portions into like a bigger box braid, just so that they don't get in the way while I'm trying to style the other, that's the left hand side. For this style, you need to know how to Ghana braid before you can be able to do this particular style, or you need to know how to do like the feed-in cornrow. I do have a detailed tutorial on how to do like a Ghana braid, but if you want an updated one, you can let me know in the comment section as well. For the first portion, I'm just kind of covering it because this hairstyle is not going to be a center part or even a side part. It's just going to be in between the center and the side, let's say slants. For this, I'm using like 2 different colors, the color 1 and also color 27. And yeah, well, I'm going to start up with the color 1 attachment first, and then in the middle we'll just start adding the color 27, and then at the end we'll continue with the color 1, just so that it will have this colorful kind of look. And for the starting of front side, I'm taking little attachment or little extension, and for the black color, I am just only going to be taking about 3 to 4 pieces just in front first before I go ahead to start taking the color 27. But I am not taking same quantity as the color 1. So because it's the front or the beginning part of the cornrow or the feed-in, I'm taking like little pieces. But right now I'm going to be adding like I'm going to be taking like bigger quantity or bigger piece of the color 27. This is so that the style can be able to come out better, or so that the style will come out very well. And to attach the extension, I'm just cornrolling one side. So yeah, to attach the extension, like I said before, I'm just cornrolling one side. Like I'll add up one side to the cornrow and then release the other side. Hope you guys get it. So release one side and then add up one side. You know, when you're about to cornrow or when you're about to add in extension, you have to add the 2 sides, the left and the right. So I'm just going to be releasing one side of the extension and then adding up one side. You guys just watch the video to see exactly what I'm doing. For the colors of the extension, you can decide to use 2 different colors or the same color. So it just depends on your client or depends on you what you want. For us here, we just wanted it to look a little bit colorful, and so that you guys will get to know exactly what we are doing. So yeah, that's why we're using 2 different colors. And for the length of the extension, we use scissors to just cut the extension into, or the attachment into 3. So we call it here in Nigeria cut 3. And after cutting the extension, we decided to fade out the tip of the attachment or the extension, and after that we just go ahead to brush the hair smoothly, just so that it can be smooth and easy to work with. After adding a certain amount of the color, we'll just go ahead to still add up 2 to 3 pieces of the black extension, so that the hair can look a little bit colorful, like I said before. Alright, once I'm done adding, I will just take pieces of the extension from the ending part of the cornrow. We'll just start to take the extension from the top or the front part down to the ending part, or dragging it down to the ending part of the cornrow to form this look. Alright, once I'm done adding, I will just take pieces of the extension from the ending part of the cornrow. We'll just start to take the extension from the top or the front part down to the ending part, or dragging it down to the ending part of the cornrow to form this look. I'm taking about either one piece or even two pieces, just depend on how I want it to be, either 2, 3. I can even, sometimes I even take like the whole of it, or I just divide that part into 2. I just take first extensions and then the second extension. You get? I hope you guys get what I am saying. So if you drag it down or add the front part of the extension to the ending part of the extension correctly, like you are dragging it gradually, it will actually give you the same look or the same result. So just carefully watch the video so that you understand what I'm doing. Right, I'm going to be repeating this step like 2 or 3 more times, or even more 4 times or 4 more times, so that you guys will get to understand the whole process. Alright, so over to the right hand side, I'm just going to attach the extension and then allow it to fall at the right hand side. So yeah, just so that it will give me the same look, but in this case the both sides are going to be facing each other at the end. Hope you guys get what I mean. I'm only going to be adding, since I'm on the right hand side, I'm only going to be adding the hair that falls, or the extension that falls on the right hand side. So we'll just add it up, and then until when I'm done adding all the extensions I want to add. So like I told you guys before, I'm using two different colors. I started off by adding black extension in small pieces, or tiny pieces. So I am adding those ones up in the normal Ghana weaving or feed-in cornrow way. So when I want to start adding the extension that is colored, I'm just going to add up the extension that falls on the right hand side and then release the one that falls on the left hand side. So when I'm done adding all the pieces of extension I do want to add, to complete the look, I'm just going to be dragging the extensions that falls on the right hand side from the beginning, without start dragging it down to the ending part of the cornrow to form this look, which is called Ghana weaving fishtail. You get what I mean, but the only way you understand it better is for you to carefully watch the video so that you get a better clarification. Do me a favor by sharing this video to friends, family, relatives, and even your enemies. Just share this video so that everyone can watch, especially those that need to watch to learn. So just share it to them so that they can watch and learn. Thank you for doing that. So do not forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Like, click on the like button to just like the video, or give the video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching the video. Here's the final look. Hope you were able to learn something new, one or two things from this video. Please give the video a big thumbs up. Click on the like button to like the video. Share the video to friends, family, relatives, your enemies, everyone that you know that will be needing this video. Subscribe if you are new here. Just go ahead to click on the subscribe button to join the family. So leave a comment in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think about the hairstyle. We'll talk to you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.